Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video, I have for you Fuzion's 2021 Spring Collection. Let's start off with the solids first. We'll go with Prickly Pear. So this is a really pretty purple. It's very soft and elegant. So I am applying this into really thin coats to make sure it's going to cure properly. And it's actually applying really nice. It does need that second coat though, of course, but pretty good application. So here's the second coat after I've gone in and cured it. And you can really see that it's making that first layer nice, crisp, and clean. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I do with putting the little dots on. I just take a little dollop and pop it on there, and then I take some tackless top coat after it's been cured and just give it a good swipe and cured. So here it is after 2 coats. It's nice and opaque, and then how it looks in matte. Next up is Moonstone. So this again is a very soft pink on the pastel spectrum. There is a good amount of white to definitely mute that strong pink tone. So it's, again, very soft. And it is going on pretty good. It does self-level nicely too. And then this is how it looks after 2 coats and then in matte. Here's Hens and Chicks, and I like this green. It's a very soft mint green. So on the pastel spectrum, there can be a few different types of green, and I would definitely say that this is a pastel mint. After 2 coats, this is how it looks, and it's nice and opaque. And then, of course, how it looks when it's shiny, and then in matte. We have Blue Agave here, and I'm really excited. Blue is my favorite color, so whenever there's a blue in a collection, oh, like, look at that. Look how pretty it is. I think if you were to ombre this color with the purple, I think that'd be really, really, really pretty. After 2 coats, here's how it looks. You can't see nothing through it. And then of course in shiny, and then in matte. Excuse that black dot, that's glitter. California Sunset is basically a neon pastel. How that's possible, I don't know, but this is what we got. It's pretty awesome, I'd have to say. After 2 coats, here's how it looks. And again, you can't see nothing through it, which is great. And how it looks in matte. Sunburst, I say, has to be the perfect spring yellow. It's soft without being harsh. And it just makes you think of everything nice, like cute little chicks in the spring and flowers. It goes on really good too, nice and creamy. It didn't streak really bad, which I was quite surprised because there's some yellows out there that you can really have streaky issues with, so I'm quite impressed. Okay, let's get into the sparkles. I'm so excited to open these. Let's start with Bloom. So Bloom is a gorgeous pink. Like, look at how pinky it is and sparkly. So it does apply a little sheer in that first coat. With the second coat, you'll see right away here it does come through really nice and solid and so sparkly. Be happy speaks for itself. You can't get any happier with a sparkly yellow than this. Look at how shiny it is. And then of course, again, it is going on a little sheer in that first layer, but a second layer will just perk that right up. So after 2 coats, this is how it looks. And I just want to show you here how thin this actually goes on and looks pretty solid. Pretty impressive. Full Sun is a very elegant pastel glitter, in my opinion. I think it would serve really good for that odd moment where you do get a grad client that is going to have an orange dress. I think this would look really good with that. And here it is in matte, and then it has really good coverage too, so you're not seeing nothing through that. Here's Seedling, so it's a really nice green with a bit of a yellow shimmer to it when the light grabs it a certain way. And then of course here's Seedling after 2 coats, good coverage, and then how it looks in matte. Root for each other is this gorgeous purple. Look at it. Holy cow. And I love how it's almost has a violet sparkle to it. Really brings that out. And then of course this is going to need 2 coats again, so I'm just going to give that a cure before a second coat. And now here it is with 2 coats, good coverage. And then in matte, I really love how that violet really picks up in the matte. Now, in the shade, my goodness, you guys, I have been waiting forever for a perfect Cinderella blue sparkle. Like, you have no idea. I'm so glad this color's here. And this is what it looks like after 2 coats. And again, great coverage. And it's really pretty in matte. Okay, let's talk about these. Wow, you guys, I love them. They're amazing. I love how the solids and the glitters are cohesive with each other. They match their partners really well. You can put the glitters on top if you wanted to. I'm loving in the shade. You guys know I've been waiting for that. And yeah, well done. I think being a pastel collection, you're going to get a lot of use out of this between magical nails with unicorns or clouds, ombres, and then of course being traditional with Easter. You got great colors going for that. These are going to be good for florals and anything outside the box that you can really think of. Even watercolor work with this would be beautiful. So thank you guys so much for taking the time to check out this review video. I hope you liked it. These are now available and you can order them from Nail Techniques. The link will be down below in the description box. They are professional sales only. So as always, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and my other social media. And we will see you in next week's video. Bye!